Hi, and welcome to your futures and options trade update. It's November the 25th. We're going to talk about our SPY trades and we're going to have a little mention about Bitcoin yet again. Okay, let's get started. So just a quick look at the charts on SPY. You can see big update yesterday, up 1.5%. And lo and behold, we talked about this correlation between Bitcoin. And you can see Bitcoin yesterday was up significantly as well. It was up 2.5%. So you can see the correlation is clear between Bitcoin and the S&P 500 at this moment in time, at least. But you can see today Bitcoin down 1.66%, US futures down slightly. Don't forget, folks, the US markets are closed on Thursday, half day, and Friday. Trading volumes on Friday will be pretty light as well. So just have that in the back of your mind as well. So that correlation is still intact. I believe Bitcoin is still going to revisit this low here. And I think at that stage, I'd be interested in investing into IBIT or BMNR. These are two, let's call them, one's an ETF that tracks Bitcoin prices. The other one is slightly different, more leverage here. So those two will be of interest, but not right now. And as I said, you could look at selling puts on those. But looking at SPY, guys, again, I just want to reiterate the high probability trades and why they work. Look at the volatility we experienced in the last week, and we're in profit in both of our positions here. So the short put, the 620 short put, we're up $239 a contract now on that. And if you click into it here, we have, folks, the potential to make another $259 profit on that. Now, we won't wait for all of that. We'll probably close it down when our total return gets to 75% of our max profit. But if you look down here as well, we now have a 97% chance of making profit on that trade. Again, putting statistics in your favor, I can't stress it enough why it's my go-to strategy for income generation. It doesn't work all the time. 10% of the time it won't work. 90% of the time it does work. And you can see why, because we're giving ourselves so many outs. And this SPY combo trade has gone into profit as well. We're up $185 a contract in that one. Now, I've said before, I'm looking to close out at some stage the long 660 put. My belief is that the market is going to rally into the Christmas period. Having said that, I'm not so convinced that we're not going to get a little retest of the low. And I think at that point, I'll probably take out my long put and leave on the two short puts naked. Now, that won't be for everybody, guys. So everybody has to have a gut check there. That you would only do this if you think the market's going to either stabilize or go back up again. And if you don't feel that, well, then just leave on the original trade, because your break-even price on this is down at 635, and SPY is trading close to 675 at the moment. So SPY could fall quite a lot with this trade as it is, and you still make a profit. The only reason I'm looking to sell that put is because I'm trying to maximize my profit potential. That's all I'm trying to achieve there. So that's it today. No new trades on today. We're probably not going to put any more SPY trades on this week. The Bitcoin trades really depends on, does it get down to 77,000 this week? If it does, I certainly would be interested in putting on different option trades and those ETFs, and we'll cover that when we get to that moment. Okay, as per usual, if you have any questions, send me a WhatsApp message or chat to us via the chat function on the website, sharenavigator.ie. Okay, thanks. Bye for now.